Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to record. Start immediately. On your Apple Watch, open Voice Memos and tap the red record button. Speak clearly toward the mic. Use a paired microphone or AirPods if you want cleaner sound, since the watch captures ambient noise. Once recording begins, you'll see waveform feedback. That confirms audio is captured. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off so recordings aren't interrupted, and keep the watch on the wrist that faces your mouth for best pickup. Once you have a take, control it in real time. Tap pause to pause, tap resume to continue, or stop to finish and save. You can zoom the waveform with the digital crown to scrub precise points. This helps when you want to trim. After saving, rename the memo so you can find it later. It syncs automatically to your iPhone via iCloud. If you need higher fidelity, record with an external mic or move closer. That reduces background noise and improves clarity. To finish, confirm the memo saved and then share it. Open the memo on your iPhone for more share options like mail or files. Delete any bad takes. Use recently deleted to recover within 30 days. If you hit problems, no audio or poor quality, restart the watch first, then check microphone permissions and that Bluetooth devices are paired correctly. If it still fails, unpair and repair the watch. That often resolves sync or hardware access issues, so you can record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.